magbigay ng financial advice ang financial advisor?
So, kung marunong magbigay ng financial advice, my answer there is a resounding yes. You know that all of our financial advisor undergoes comprehensive training program. So, in fact, hindi lang at the onset when they apply, habang nandito sila every year that they are having in Sun Life, we have different training programs that are given to them. I always believe, sabi ko nga kasi I started as an agent just like me. And of course, ang feeling ko is marami na akong nalalaman. Pero maniwala po kayo, iba po yung kaalaman if you focus on financial literacy. And for those of you in the academy or particularly in college, I still have to find out kung meron ng life insurance na subject na ino-offer. Actually, wala pa. And that's the best actually to learn it here. So, to your questions, marunong ba talaga magbigay ng financial advice? That's a resounding yes because they go through a training program. And what more, they are mentored by the best and highly awarded, multi-awarded managers katulad sa mga nag-recruit sa inyo ngayon. They are mentored by multi-awarded advisors, kaya po natututo sila na mabilis.